So you want to make money online as an affiliate marketer, you need to avoid falling into these 5 pitfalls that I'm going to share with you today. Because let me warn you, if you fall into these pitfalls, your affiliate marketing might put you in debt rather than making you money. For the new internet marketer, the best place to start is hands down affiliate marketing. Why? Because you don't have to create products, services, or even start a whole company from scratch. So rather than going through the hard, expensive path of creating your own products and then promoting them to the world, why not instead find products that are already well put together by someone that already has a high degree of credibility? Doing it this way will save you a lot of time, money, and willpower. So today I'm going to share with you 5 pitfalls that you need to avoid falling into. So if you want to learn more, keep on watching. Welcome back. My name is Sylvia and I'm an online marketing strategist, and I help beginners with tips and strategies to improve their affiliate marketing. Subscribe to my channel for more informational videos like these, or check out my website for more free courses. So let's get started. Pitfall number 1 is avoid picking a bad product. Not all products are created equally, so this is particularly important if you currently have a list. All it takes is just one bad product to promote to your list and you'll have a huge mass of unsubscribes. So what you should do instead is avoid promoting products that have outrageous claims. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. So avoid being associated with them. Protect your brand and what you stand for at all costs. So if you decide to promote something from like marketplaces like ClickBank or JVZoo, please select very carefully. Let me give you a few pointers. Rather than getting sucked in by a product that offers extremely high commissions, instead look for products that have high popularity and high gravity ratings. Because if a lot of people are buying them more often, that pretty much means that they are better than other ones in that particular niche that you're in. In addition, avoid wasting your money on promoting a product like a swimsuit in a winter, even if it has a high popularity and rating. Pitfall number 2 is avoid sending endless promotions to your list. So if you're marketing to a list of people, they're only going to consider a certain amount of products within a given time. So select the ones that you promote wisely that are relevant to your list. Tips to consider when you're marketing to your list: if you're promoting something that only offers 25% commission, then you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Because in reality, you could probably find something similar that offers 50 to 75% commission. Again, finding something that converts very well, of course, within marketplaces like JVZoo, always keeping in mind their high popularity and high gravity ratings. Pitfall number 3 I was very guilty of is picking a low converting product. And the reason why, as an affiliate marketer, your goal is to profit from all of the hard work that others have already done. That's the beauty of being an affiliate marketer, and profit from the money they've already spent on copywriters, software developers. So if you select a product that underutilizes these benefits, you are more likely leaving money on the table. You're going to make less money. Take, for instance, conversion rates. Not all product and content creators hire top-notch copywriters. In fact, many of them write their own copy. They don't hire someone to do their graphs, someone to do their sales pages. They do it all on their own. So what's the end result? Their pages look hideous. Their copyright contains many errors. And what happens is it converts poorly. And because of this, you are hit where it hurts the most, your pocket. Because remember, you are the one driving traffic to these products and services. So here's some pointers to look out for. Read the sales page carefully. Compare it to others. Do you feel compelled to buy? Did the copy fail to reel you in for the catch? So my advice is to stay away from these sellers' products because they convert very poorly. Pitfall number 4 is failing to collect leads. Always start your business in the right direction and start with collecting leads by using a software system that can capture your subscribers' email. So rather than generating traffic from pay-per-click and other methods and then sending them directly to your affiliate, you should make an effort to convert them into list members first for 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is it helps you build a community that you can communicate with later in the event that social media was to be shut down completely. And 2, you get the opportunity to market to them for months, years, if you do it strategically. As a marketer, one of your best power weapons is your list. So start capturing those emails with email systems like Aweber, MailChimp, Getresponse, or just a few, ConvertKit, or just a few of the ones that come into my mind. But my recommendation is Getresponse for its simplicity. That's what I've been using from the beginning, along with ConvertKit. So if you want to start your list and you don't know how and you need that lead magnet, then I do have that 3-day workshop that I've put together, and I will walk you through on how to connect the tools and how to get your lead magnet going. And if you want to try Getresponse for a free full 30 days, then that link is down below. Now that is an affiliate link, so I would greatly appreciate it if you use it. If not, you can still get your 30 days for free from getresponse.com. Pitfall number 5 is ignoring numbers. Many of the marketers fail to make small yet really important calculations in your business in order to make sure that you're making money. So take, for instance, don't just look at the commissions that you're going to be earning from marketplaces like ClickBank. We tend to overlook what ClickBank extracts from your commission. In addition, many ignore conversion rates, pay-per-click bids, and the amount of time that you put into these projects to promote the products. So the next time, keep these 2 things in mind. Are you paying too much traffic for a low converter? Are you putting too much time into a project that does not have high yields? So therefore your outcome is going to be bad. And now that you're your own boss, not a CEO of a corporation, that means that you don't get paid at all. And even worse, you'll end up losing your own money. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Thank you for watching. My name is Sylvia with SylviaCbriones.com. Until next time.